guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. So, Kayla Prime House Tour tayo today. Most updated, redundant, guys. Most updated sample competition for Kayla Prime and also most updated house tour. Yung sa lot area na pinakita ko sa screen, diba ito yung parking nyo? Ito guys, malaki pa yung meron ka pang malaking space sa gilid ng bahay mo, tsaka sa likod. Pwede ka pa dito mag-dirty kitchen o mag-laundry area, mag-service area. Okay? Welcome to Kayla Prime. What you see is what you get. Ganito ang turnover ng door. And I want to emphasize yung kanyang high ceiling. So, tignan nyo guys. Yan. Kayla Prime has a unique high ceiling effect. Okay? So, the turnover of this unit is what we call complete finished. Yung tiles niya, 60 by 60 po yung sukat niyan, and then naka-paint na siya. Basically, pag lumipat ka dito, gamit na lang. Alright guys? Complete finish na kasi siya. Kung ikaw yung tipo na gusto mo talaga sa bahay mo yung may aesthetic na maganda, malaking chandelier or drop lights, Kayla Prime might be a very good option for you. So here, sa kanyang sa living area niya, pwede ka dito maglagay ng television sa side na to para mas ma-utilize mo yung kanyang space. Sa baba ng hagdan, maluwag pa siya dito guys. Pwede ka pa ditong mag-storage or maglagay ng computer table. Pwede pa guys. Ito yung kanyang dining area. So, we are using 6-seater dining area, but in fact, you can also use, this is 4-seater dining table, but you can also use 6-seater dining table. Kasi, we have a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet, and shower. So, maximum, if you are a family of 6, perfect pa rin to sa'yo. Kung less than, edi mas maganda, mas maluwag yung bahay mo, diba? At ito yung kanyang kitchen. Sa turnover po ng kitchen, ito po siya kasama. Pero itong sa taas, modular. Sa dress-up model lang siya. So, pwede mo yung i-customize kapag na-turnover na sa'yo. Sa toilet and shower natin, guys, elegant na po yung design ng toilet and shower. Tapos, naka-floor to ceiling niya yung tiles niya sa side na to. Sa mga side na to na nakikita nyo. Tapos, yung ating toilet sink and toilet bowl and shower. Ito guys. Kasama na po siya sa turnover ng ating unit. So, talagang complete finish na siya guys. Wala ka nang masyadong ipapagawa. The mirror is only for the model. So, pwede mo naman dali na lang naman maglagay ng mirror, di ba? Sa bathroom. So, let's go to the bedroom one. Kayla Prime offers you bedroom at the ground floor. So, kung meron po kayong senior, kung meron kayong elderly, kung gusto niyo ng guest room, or meron kayong family na PWD, perfect po ang Kayla Prime kasi talagang nakaset na yung isang room sa baba as a bedroom, diba? At ito, pwede dito ang double bed. So, you can put double bed, even queen size dito guys. So here on this side kasi nilagyan nila ng long table. But actually, you can put your closet here. Kung gusto mo na closet sa side na to, di ba? You can still maximize yung space mo dito sa baba for Kayla Prime. Let's go to the second floor. Ganito na yung turnover ng stairs niya for Kayla Prime. At pati yung second floor na tiles niya. Because we have a high ceiling, makikita niyo dito guys yung kanyang effect, di ba? So this is Kayla Prime, and if you are going to look down, ganyan po yung makikita niyo guys. Ayan. Kasi nga may high ceiling effect siya. So this is already your bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, Kayla Prime. Pwede po dito ang single bed, pwede rin ang double deck, okay? So, maluwag pa kasi siya, guys. And, master's bedroom, Kayla Prime. So this is your master's bedroom for Kayla Prime. Pwede dito ang double bed, pwede rin dito ang queen size. This is your master's bedroom for Kayla Prime na may access pa rin sa ating toilet and shower. Alright. So we have second toilet and shower. The good thing is hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. Okay guys? Kasi you have a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower for Kayla Prime. And of course, how about the updated sample computation? So let me show you guys Kayla Prime most updated sample computation showing on the screen right now. Bank financing po tayo dito guys. Pwede rin naman ang in-house by request. Ang wala lang po tayo dito ay pag-ibig. Pwede rin po kayong mag-deferred payment. Pwede rin kayong mag-cash payment. Just contact me directly about that. But what I'm showing on the screen right now is yung kanyang bank financing dahil pre-selling po tayo. Wala pong ready for occupancy. Again, pre-selling only. Ayan po, si Kayla Prime. Sample computation. Ang maganda sa pre-selling, may nilulook forward ka na. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng malaki, mag-cash out ng malaki. Installment, yung down payment, 0% interest. Take that opportunity. Yun po yung dapat hindi nyo pinapakawalan. Kasi nga, walang interest yung down payment niya. Take that para malay mo kaya mo pang mapalit kung ilulong mo. In the future, go for it. Ang baba lang po ng required salary natin. Basta ikaw ay may proof of income, pwede ka dito. Pag VA freelancers, pwede rin. Kapag kailangan ng ITR, pero pwedeng to follow, hindi naman siya agad-agad. Basta may mapakita kang job contract or payslip or bank statement kung saan pumapasok yung kinikita mo, pwede po yun, accepted yun. And then all other, kapag may papasok na sa bank, saka mo na lang i-ready yung ITR and other stuff, okay? Pero pwede po ang locally employed, immigrants with dual citizenship, OFW, business owners, self-employed, VA, and freelancers. Welcome kayo sa Amaresa, guys. Ayan po ang ating sample competition. Afford na afford kayang-kaya. Alam mo ba na meron kang napakalaki, napakaluwag na balcony dito na pwede kang maglagay ng inflatable pool kung gusto mo or kung ano man gusto mong gawin doon? Let's have a look. Ang ganda nito, guys. Sobrang laki niya pa talaga, guys. Ang laki-laki po ng iyong balcony dito. Palagyan mo na lang yan ng polycarbonate roof or i-design. Diba? There's so many things that you can do here sa iyong Kayla Prime model. Tapos sa side na to guys, tignan nyo yung view na yan guys. Pwede itong maglagay din dyan ng pag-liver, trap lights, or ito guys. Ganito po yung view ni Kayla Prime from second floor to here. Okay, good luck guys, and remember, no walk-ins. No walk-ins. Bawal mag-walk-in dito. Very strict po yung guard natin, guys. Kasi dito sa Kayla Prime, dapat bago ka mag-tripping, magpa-schedule ka sa akin at least 1 to 2 days before. We have complete amenities. We are an exclusive subdivision. Very strict po yung guard natin. 24/7 security tayo. At napakaganda ng location natin kasi along the road, flood-free. At malapit sa lahat ng establishment na kailangan mo. Malapit ka pa sa NLEX. Napakalapit mo lang sa Quezon City at sa Metro Manila via Marilao Exit. So guys, this is Kayla Prime for Amaresa, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Strictly no walk-ins. Contact me. My name is Nicole. Viber, WhatsApp, always showing on the screen naman yan, guys. Diba? Kung ang gamit mo naman ay Messenger, sige, kontakin mo ako sa Messenger. Just mention Kayla Prime para masend ko sa iyo yung competition. Kung napanood mo naman to, okay ka sa competition, then let's go for it. Schedule na tayo ng actual tripping para makita mo siya. Iba pa rin kasi yung nakikita mo sa personal. Kung wala ka sa Pilipinas, katulad ng ibang client ko dito, yung kanilang SPA representative, kamag-anak nila, kapatid, or partner, yun yung pinag-tripping nila. Which is, pwedeng-pwede rin. Bigyan mo lang sa akin yung contact ako at tatawag sa kanila at makakapag-schedule na kami ng tripping dito guys sa Amaresa. Very easy at smooth lang yung process. Tutulungan kita para naman hassle-free, stress-free yung pag-avail mo ng yung future home dito guys sa Amaresa, Kayla Prime, or kung ano man yung model na gusto mo guys. Okay? So again, my name is Nicole. Don't forget guys, tignan nyo kung nakasubscribe ka na or hindi pa. Pag hindi pa, i-click mo na yung subscribe button, hit that notification bell para tuwing meron akong bagong upload na videos, una kang nakakakita. Hindi mo mamimiss yung napakagandang offer dito sa area ng Bulacan. Diba guys? So again, my name is Nicole. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.